When you swallow a bite of food, it doesn't just disappear into your stomach. In fact, digestion is a journey that begins even before the food hits your stomach. The process starts in your mouth, where enzymes in saliva break down carbohydrates. Here's the surprising part: over 1.5 liters of saliva is produced each day to facilitate this. Your tongue and teeth also play critical roles, mixing and grinding the food into a pulp called a bolus. As you swallow, this bolus travels down your esophagus, a muscular tube that uses rhythmic contractions called peristalsis to move food towards your stomach. The esophagus is not just a passive passage. Its muscular walls contract in waves, a process called peristalsis, pushing the bolus down at a speed of about 4 centimeters per second. This journey takes approximately 6 seconds. Your lower esophageal sphincter, a ring of muscle at the entrance to your stomach, relaxes to let the bolus enter. Surprisingly, this sphincter is crucial in preventing acid reflux by closing tightly after the bolus passes. Incredibly, this coordination ensures that food only moves one way downwards. Every swallow triggers this complex choreography, a seamless transition from voluntary to automatic processes. Once in your stomach, the bolus encounters a highly acidic environment with a pH around 1.5 to 3.5. This acidity is vital for breaking down food particles and activating enzymes like pepsin, which starts protein digestion. Gastric glands secrete about 3 liters of gastric juice daily, a mix of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. Your stomach muscles also churn the bolus, turning it into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach lining, protected by a thick layer of mucus, prevents self-digestion. This entire process takes 2 to 4 hours. Such efficiency ensures nutrients are primed for absorption in the next phase. The small intestine is where the magic of nutrient absorption happens. Stretching over 6 meters in length, it maximizes surface area with structures called villi and microvilli. These tiny projections increase the absorptive surface to the size of a tennis court. Here, the chyme is mixed with bile from the liver and enzymes from the pancreas, breaking down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins into their component parts. The small intestine absorbs over 90% of the nutrients and water you consume. With each contraction, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream, delivering essential building blocks to cells throughout your body. This stage is crucial for sustaining life. As the journey nears completion, the large intestine takes center stage. It's shorter than the small intestine, about 1.5 meters, but plays a vital role in absorbing remaining water and electrolytes. Surprisingly, it houses trillions of bacteria, forming your gut microbiome. These bacteria help break down indigestible fibers and produce vital compounds like vitamin K. Within 12 to 48 hours, what's left of your meal becomes solid waste. This efficient system ensures nutrient extraction is maximized. The large intestine's muscular contractions move waste towards the rectum, where it awaits elimination. Each meal's journey is a testament to your body's incredible efficiency. Deep within your stomach's acidic environment, a fascinating molecular transformation takes place. Pepsinogen, an inactive enzyme, is secreted by chief cells in the stomach lining. When exposed to the hydrochloric acid present, it transforms into pepsin, an active enzyme crucial for digesting proteins into peptides. This activation process is a key regulatory mechanism, ensuring enzymes are only active when needed, protecting your stomach lining from damage. Interestingly, this conversion process takes mere seconds, and pepsin can break down complex protein molecules into smaller units rapidly. Such precision showcases the body's ability to control powerful biochemical reactions. In the small intestine, another molecular marvel unfolds. The pancreas releases enzymes like trypsin and lipase, necessary for digesting proteins and fats. These enzymes are secreted in inactive forms to prevent self-digestion, only becoming active in the intestine. Trypsinogen, for example, is converted to trypsin by the enzyme enterokinase found on the intestinal lining. This sequential activation is a safety system, ensuring enzymes act precisely where needed. Lipase, meanwhile, breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol, aided by bile from the liver, which emulsifies fats, increasing their surface area for enzyme action. This collaboration underscores your body's complex internal teamwork. Your liver plays a pivotal role in metabolizing nutrients. Hepatocytes, the liver's main cells, process nutrients absorbed from your intestine. They convert glucose to glycogen for storage and vice versa, ensuring an energy supply is always available. They also detoxify chemicals, adding a glycine tag to foreign substances, marking them for excretion via bile. Remarkably, this detoxification process is completed in under 90 seconds per molecule. The liver's ability to regenerate is another extraordinary feature, capable of regrowing to its full size even after surgical removal of up to 70%. Such resilience reflects its crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. Inside your gut, the microbiome is an ecosystem brimming with complexity. Trillions of bacteria reside here, assisting in breaking down fibers and producing essential nutrients. Bacteroids, a dominant genus, specializes in digesting carbohydrates, freeing up short-chain fatty acids that nourish your gut lining. These bacteria communicate with your immune system, influencing inflammation and even mood through chemicals like serotonin. Astonishingly, 90% of your serotonin, a neurotransmitter linked to happiness, is produced in the gut. This symbiosis highlights how your gut is a dynamic organ, deeply intertwined with broader physiological processes. It's a frontier of scientific discovery. The large intestine's muscular contractions are orchestrated by enteric neurons, part of your body's second brain, the enteric nervous system. This system contains over 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord. It autonomously regulates digestion, adjusting the rhythm and strength of contractions based on feedback from chemical sensors. These sensors detect nutrient levels and mechanical stretch in the intestine, sending signals to modulate digestive juice secretion and motility. The enteric nervous system operates independently yet communicates with the brain via the vagus nerve, illustrating the profound connection between your gut and brain. It's a sophisticated control system that continuously adapts to your body's needs. When your digestive system faces extremes, its resilience is tested. Consider the stomach, which produces almost 3 liters of gastric acid daily. If this acid seeps into your esophagus, it can cause heartburn, a common symptom of acid reflux. Chronic reflux, affecting over 20% of adults in the U.S., can lead to Barrett's esophagus, a condition where esophageal cells change, increasing cancer risks. Despite the potential damage, your body has defenses. Mucus layers and bicarbonate neutralize acid, while the lower esophageal sphincter acts as a gatekeeper. This balance between acid and protection is a testament to the body's adaptive capabilities. In the small intestine, failure to absorb nutrients can lead to malabsorption syndromes. Conditions like celiac disease result from immune reactions to gluten, damaging the intestinal lining. This reduces the surface area available for nutrient absorption, leading to deficiencies in vital nutrients, including iron and calcium. Remarkably, the intestine's lining regenerates every 3 to 5 days. Yet, prolonged damage can outpace this renewal, causing lasting impacts on health. The body's ability to continuously regenerate its lining is crucial, highlighting the delicate balance required to maintain efficient nutrient uptake. This regeneration is a cycle of destruction and resilience, a continuous dance of cellular renewal. Under stress, your liver's detoxification capabilities can be overwhelmed. Excessive alcohol, for instance, taxes hepatocytes, leading to conditions like fatty liver disease affecting over 25% of the global population. In this state, liver cells accumulate fat, impairing function. Amazingly, the liver can recover if the stressor is removed early, showcasing its regenerative power. However, prolonged damage can lead to cirrhosis, where scar tissue replaces healthy tissue, inhibiting function. Even then, the liver attempts to regenerate around scarred areas. This illustrates both the organ's vulnerability and its remarkable ability to heal, a testament to the body's innate drive for survival. The gut microbiome's diversity is crucial for health, yet it can be disturbed by antibiotics or diet changes. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can lead to digestive issues or even affect mental health. In extreme cases, fecal microbiota transplantation (FMT) is used, transferring stool from a healthy donor to restore balance. FMT has shown success rates of over 90% for treating recurrent Clostridium difficile infections. This procedure highlights the profound impact your microbiome has on health. It's not just a passive community of organisms but an active, integral part of your body's functionality, underscoring the interconnectedness of human health and microbial life. Digestive processes can reach astonishing speeds under certain conditions. In competitive eaters, the stomach can expand to hold over 10 liters, while digestion accelerates to handle extreme intake. On the cellular level, enzyme production ramps up, and peristalsis increases to move contents through the intestines faster. However, this stresses the digestive system, risking long-term damage. The body's ability to adapt to such extremes is remarkable, but it's a reminder of the limits to which it can be pushed. In every bite and every sip, your digestive system orchestrates a complex symphony of chemical and mechanical processes, a marvel of biological engineering and resilience.